champagne silly. Samurai queen throwing stars at the ceiling. Fab so far, hotter than a skillet. I'm a killer, they know I'ma kill it. 1-2, I got the 1-2. Can't stop the ride in my groove, yeah. They tryna do what I do. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead now. If you want it good, gotta get it good. Rock it like you're Robin Hood, give it to 'em like you should. Everybody moving it, baby, when you do it, do it like this. Do it like this. Do it like this. Like this, like this. Like this, like this. Like this, like this. Do it like this. I'm the sweet and the spicy all in one. Want a piece, take a number, order up. Got the sauce that'll make you na-na-na. Haters to the...
And we're here for yet another enticing match against the division's best. Can they all gel and give this dream team a real challenge?
Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today.
He steps up to steal the ball.
Good ball.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
This player is taking on the opposition.
They have the ball again. That's good link-up play. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
Passed inside.
Missed challenge there. Oh, he did really well there.
And that's a throw-in.
Not a good decision there. Long-range effort.
That's well wide.
The replay will give us a closer look.
That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up.
He's headed the ball forward.
Fletcher.
Good interception.
Higuain. The defender regains possession. And
Just the keeper to beat.
Shoots. His teammates swarming. And rightly so. Great stuff.
let's take another look at that.
And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Oh, well intercepted.
Back towards the centre.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
And it's with the captain. Oh, he's onside. He must score.
Higuain won the ball.
That one has gone out of play. That's nicely played.
Good, clean challenge.
Oh, it's a clear chance.
Good effort there.
Well, let's have a look at that one again.
We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
He steps up to steal the ball.
A few minutes of stoppage time to play then. The referee checks his watch and...
They're winning. Can they stay in control for the next 45 minutes? Well cut out. Some safe passing from this team. They've won it back. Lovely passing here.
Well timed then. Great defending.
Played wide.
The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break.
Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
The assistant manager has suggested a change.
Both teams have had a good amount of possession. This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them.
Higuain.
What a chance!
The referee indicates a corner. Well, let's take another look at that. Finds his teammate.
Great chance here. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. That one has gone out of play.
Players then warming up on the touchline, but is it time for a change?
He's read that one absolutely perfectly.
That'll be the goalkeeper's ball then.
It's with the striker now. He dribbles the ball forward.
Oh, he did really well there, and that clearance will lift the pressure.
They're running out of time, but it's still possible to score an equalising goal.
Is this a goal?
That's his second goal.
A great goal there. Here's how he found the net.
That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now.
Oh, that could be painful.
They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure.
And with the defender now. He's read that one absolutely perfectly.
A few minutes of stoppage time to play then.
The fourth official has indicated 5 minutes of stoppage time.
They have the ball again. These players are amongst the best in the world, but even they couldn't stop this green team. They've done it! Champions at last!
We were lost until we got it right, running circles in a new light. We were drunk and just a little high, throwing punches in the dead of night. Just feel the rush, it's never enough, gonna race you to the other side. Just feel the rush, it's covering us, I'm closer to the edge this time. Goes to my head, goes to my head. I don't wanna let you know. Goes to my head, goes to my head.
They've taken a step up the amateur division. Can they cope with the higher standard?
Referee gets this match underway. That's good link-up play.
He steps up to steal the ball.
Higuain.
And the team swap possession again. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. And this is a world-class finish.
A chance to have a better look here.
And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. The attacker is in possession.
Oh, there's an opening here.
Oh, good clearance.
Volleyed forward. Passed inside.
What a well-timed tackle.
Oh, that's a foul.
Well intercepted.
Higuain.
Passed well. Tries from distance.
That's well off target.
Let's take another look at that effort on goal. Oh, well intercepted.
That's a rash challenge there.
Herrera.
He loves to go past players with the ball. at the striker's feet.
And he stayed onside.
Is this the moment? And the keeper really glad that wasn't on target. Not sure he'd have got to that.
Kicked outfield.
Higuain.
He dribbles the ball forward.
He must score. Higuain!
And it's in. He's scored a brace. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal.
And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Oh, he did really well there.
He's so skillful on the ball. We're into time added on now.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
We're only going to...
And it's half-time then.
So, 45 minutes left of the game. Can the losing team come back from 2-0 down?
Defender in possession.
The goalkeeper eases the pressure. He's cut it back inside. Is this a goal? Has a crack. Good effort there.
Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it.
It really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. And he's back in possession. Oh, determined challenge there.
The attacker is in possession. He could be punished.
Great chance here. Higuain! And that's his third. A great hat-trick.
Fantastic finish into the top corner. And that sort of finish should give him confidence to go on and grab more goals.
Let's get back down to business now.
They've won it back.
He's unstoppable with the ball.
So not a great challenge.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
This team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll get them.
And that'll take the pressure off.
Ooh, quality defending there. Confident pass. The assistant's kept his flag down.
What a chance! Shoots! His teammates swarm him. And rightly so. Great stuff.
Here's a replay of that great goal.
And the referee gets the game going again.
Good ball. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure.
And that will be the goalkeeper's ball then.
Good distribution from the keeper there.
This team really are controlling the game. He clears the ball to safety.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
He dribbles the ball forward.
And here's a chance.
4 goals for this player. He's unstoppable. Let's take another look at that. The fourth official has indicated 5 minutes of stoppage time.
This talented player is really taking control today.
The players are eager to get the game going again. The attacker is in possession. And we're entering stoppage time now.
They've won the ball back again.
The striker picks it up.
Great technique. The shot's on, shoots, and that is a fantastic goal. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player. That's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football today.
They're playing a 4-4-2 formation. Finds his teammate. back towards the centre.
He dribbles the ball forward.
Great pass. That's nicely played.
A missed challenge there.
Great chance here.
Shoots!
The assistant points his flag. It's a corner kick.
Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again.
Oh, quality defence. That's a rash challenge there. Headed on. Striker's ball.
And it's a penalty. There can be no complaints. A straight red. Which way will he put it there?
And they score from the penalty spot. And a coolly dispatched penalty. We'll be pleased he was able to convert.
Oh, we need to see that goal again.
Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again.
That's good link-up play.
Good, clean challenge.
Good ball. He did well to win the ball back. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. He must score. He goes for goal.
The referee indicates a corner.
Let's take another look at that wonderful save.
Short corner then.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Finds his teammate.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
And he's given possession away in a dangerous place.
Higuain! The goalkeeper eases the pressure. Good distribution from the keeper there.
Here's Kane.
Well, an eventful first half here with...
It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around. Good ball. Tries his luck from distance.
Keeper collects that one.
Good distribution. Oh, well intercepted. Oh, quality defending there.
What a well. He must score, surely.
No, that was a real chance. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
Keeper sends it long. They're attacking with the ball now.
That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Is this a goal? No doubt there. That's a penalty. The refs sent him off. It's a red card. Can he keep his composure?
Oh, and he's missed it completely.
Looks like he's injured here. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
He's headed the ball forward.
He did well to win the ball back.
And it's with the captain.
Tries a long shot. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Now this could hazard it. Not the best effort there.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
They're just looking to keep the ball. Great dribbling. Higuain. Is this the moment? Higuain!
That's his second goal.
Well, let's have a look at that one again.
That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now.
Great skill from this player. He dribbles the ball forward.
They're appealing, but he's onside.
They've won the ball back again.
And he's given possession.
And it's opened up here.
Shoots.
Great finish.
Look at that tidy finish there. Look what it means to the player. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally.
Well, the fourth official has indicated 4 minutes of stoppage time.
He did well to win the ball back.
Full time here. Some tantalising football on display.